In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under market structure. So guys, we're going to look at the subtopic types, meaning of market and types of market. So we have 40 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says an example of market which approaches fairly near to perfection is, so we have the labor market, the retail market, the foreign exchange market, the house market. The right answer is option C, which is the foreign exchange market. Okay, the next question is this one. It says individual markets differ from each other according to the volume of trade, number of buyers, its consumption, the degree of competition. So right answer is option D, the degree of competition. This question is this one. It says the diagram above represents this. We have a perfect competition, demand, curve, monopoly, and we have the last one to be competitive market. So the right answer is option C, which is this diagram represents a monopoly. The next question, which is the last one, is this one. It says all of the following describe conditions necessary for existence of a perfect market except we have portability of goods, lack of homogeneity of goods, perfect knowledge, large buyers and sellers. So the exception here is option B, which is lack of homogeneity of goods. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving market structure. Look at meaning of market and types of market. Look at 4 repeated questions under it. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned for the video. If you don't have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will sure give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting payment information that help you to excel in your SNE exams like JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click the link above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.